Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2011 Kia Optima EX, stock number B9064AA. 81,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, platinum graphite in color. The Optima is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Removable cargo mat for easy cleaning. Pull the tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input. It allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Optima has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 200 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Fuel efficient as well. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.